In this tutorial, we're going to talk about preprocessing. For ibaInSpectra modules, there are several possibilities to perform a preprocessing on the signal. To demonstrate what we can do with the preprocessing, I prepared a noisy signal with vibration over all frequency ranges. As you can see here, we already configured an ibaInSpectra expert module where we can see amplitudes over the whole frequency range. To configure a preprocessing for the module, we open the I/O manager and we can see that there is already a configured calculation profile for this module, and that there's also already an input signal selected. In this example, we don't need a speed signal. To configure the preprocessing, we enter these settings here, and now we can see if profiles already exist, or we can configure a new profile. Right now, we want to configure a new profile. To add a profile, we can click down here and name the profile. In our case, we want to do a bandpass for our noisy signal. For preprocessing, there are several possible methods available. As you can see, we have the option to calculate the envelope of the signal, and we have all the different filters available, like low pass, high pass, bandpass, and bandstop filter. In our case, we want to do a bandpass filter, so we select bandpass as the method. There are also different modes for the configuration of these filters. One is a simple mode, and we also have the advanced mode. In the advanced mode, you can exactly define what kind of filter you want to use and where the stop and pass frequencies should be for this filter. There's also the option that you can import a filter designed with a filter designer in ibaAnalyzer. You can import it here as a preprocessing profile, but this will be part of another tutorial. For our use case, the simple filter settings will be adequate. So we have selected the method bandpass, the configuration mode simple, and now we only have to enter the two borders of our bandpass, the lower and the upper cutoff frequency. As the lower cutoff frequency, we will use 300 Hz, and as the upper cutoff frequency, we will use 600 Hz. We now press OK and we'll see that the preprocessing profile is automatically selected for our ibaInSpectra module. And we can also see where the cutoff frequencies for this bandpass are. When we now press OK, the settings will be applied and uploaded onto the server. As we now can see in our signal, we only get frequencies within 300 to 600 Hz.